Hello, John from Peter Tyson. If you're after the big screen experience but don't want the typical overhead projector setup that you see in most cinema rooms, then one of these alternatives from Hisense, either the C2 Ultra, a lifestyle portable projector, and the PX3 Pro, an ultra short throw unit, might just scratch your large screen itch without all the extra cabling, measuring and installation associated with an overhead. All links to pricing in the description, as usual. Now, these aren't just any projectors. They both boast incredible 4K resolution and Hisense's trichroma triple laser technology for stunning colour reproduction. But they're designed for very different experiences. The Hisense C2 Ultra is a lifestyle portable projector. It's designed to be moved, and it's compact and relatively lightweight for its power and features, with an integrated gimbal stand. This allows you to easily project onto even walls, screens, or even your ceiling, and it's all about versatility and taking your big screen experience wherever you want it. There's even an additional nifty floor stand available too. The Hisense PX3 Pro is an ultra short throw or UST projector. The key here is the ultra short throw. It sits just inches away from your wall or screen and projects a massive image. Think of it a bit like a TV replacement that disappears when it's off. It's designed for a dedicated home cinema experience, blending seamlessly into your living space. So first, let's have a look at the C2 Ultra's pros and cons. It has unmatched portability and versatility. This is its biggest selling point. It's pretty small and easily moved. The built-in gimbal stand is absolutely brilliant, allowing you to easily adjust the projection angle, literally from floor to ceiling. Take it to the backyard, a mate's house, or even on a camping trip. If you've got power, of course. Optical zoom is a huge advantage for a portable projector too. It means you can just adjust the image size without digitally cropping and losing resolution, giving you more flexibility with placement. And it's incredibly user-friendly with autofocus, auto keystone correction and obstacle avoidance. It runs on Vida OS. Most major streaming apps built in, and it's possibly one of the best portable projectors I've ever used. 4K resolution and the trichroma triple laser light source, it delivers stunning colours, 110% of BT 2020, and a bright 3000 anti-lumens image. It also supports HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Dolby Vision and IMAX Enhanced. The integrated JBL speakers provide decent enough sound for a portable unit, often negating the need for external speakers in casual settings. And it boasts low input lag and supports 4K at 60Hz and even 1080p at 240Hz, making it great for gamers on the go. No projector is perfect. Here are a few cons. The weight. It is quite sizable, and while it is very portable, it's not just something that you can casually toss into a small bag. Whilst bright, like most projectors, it does perform better in dimmer environments. In a very bright room, the image can appear washed out, and as with many single-chip DLP projectors, some sensitive viewers might occasionally notice a rainbow effect on high-contrast scenes. Whilst the sound is pretty good for its size and very usable, it absolutely won't replace a dedicated sound system or soundbar for a truly cinematic audio. Place the projector behind the couch. The sound is coming from the wrong place, and it gets really annoying really quickly. So let's turn our attention to the Hisense PX3 Pro. Pros? Well, the ability to project a massive 80 to 150 inch 4K image from just inches away from the wall is just mind-bending. No more shadows, no projector in the middle of the room, no mass cabling and installation. Just stunning picture. It also features trichroma triple laser technology of 3000 anti-lumens. The PX3 Pro delivers exceptional brightness and an even wider colour gamut for incredibly vibrant and accurate colours. It supports all major HDMI formats too, including Dolby Vision. It could genuinely be used as a TV replacement in the right room. It offers a huge immersive display that just disappears when it's off. It's even more than watchable in fairly well lit rooms too. And it's designed for Xbox. So it's certified, meaning it's built for serious gaming. It offers incredibly low input lag and supports 4K 120Hz and 1080p at 240Hz, making it a dream for console and PC gamers. And the integrated Harman Kardon speakers do provide much better sound than the C2, and it'll be coming from the right place, in front of you. it may be all a lot of users ever need. I still think a dedicated sound system will give you the best experience to match that massive image. Its minimalist design allows it to blend seamlessly into your home decor, and it runs Google TV for familiar smart TV experience. But of course, it also has its considerations. It does require a flat surface, and the flatter and cleaner your wall is, the better, or preferably an ALR screen to get the absolute best image quality and minimize reflections. And while it sits close to the wall, getting the image perfectly aligned and distortion free is a little bit more challenging and time consuming. There's no physical lens control, relying on digital adjustments only. Although easy compared to a lot, it's still a consideration, and it's a static installation. Once it's set up, you're not easily moving it from room to room or taking it outdoors. Overall contrast is excellent, but some users may notice inconsistencies in light control on certain scenes. The light source is much closer to the bottom of the image than the top. And the price to do this properly and get the absolute best experience from your investment, an additional fixed or drop down screen can be a significant cost to bear in mind. So, after all that, which projector is right for you? Choose the Hisense C2 Ultra if you prioritise versatility and portability. You want to move your big screen experience between rooms, outdoors, or to different locations. You appreciate easy setup with auto adjustments, and you want high quality 4K image and usable sound in a compact package. Choose the Hisense PX3 Pro if you want to create a dedicated immersive home cinema experience. You're looking for a possible TV replacement that delivers a massive, stunning 4K image. Maybe you have a dedicated space, or you're willing to invest in an ALR screen for optimal performance. Maybe you're just a serious gamer looking for low input lag and high refresh rates on a huge screen. Or you just value sleek aesthetics and a minimalist setup where the projector sits discreetly. Ultimately, both the Hisense C2 Ultra and the PX3 Pro are fantastic projectors, leveraging Hisense's impressive trichroma laser technology. Your choice really comes down to your lifestyle and what you prioritise. The freedom and flexibility of a high-end portable, or the ultimate integrated cinematic experience of an ultra short throw. I was genuinely blown away at just how impressive these alternative projectors are getting now. Let me know in the comments below which one you'd pick and why. If you'd like to experience them for yourself, contact us at Peter Tyson Carlisle or our new Workington showroom. Till then, you'll see me in the next video. Take care.